It's interesting to note that you can disinherit your children. A lot of people don't know this. I actually had a client maybe a couple of months ago, and she was so nervous about disinheriting one of her children that she insisted, no matter what I told her, I spun on my head and I explained this to her. I showed her the law. Yes, you can disinherit your children. She insisted on providing him a certain amount to make sure that he wouldn't contest the will. So it's important to note that even though you can disinherit your children, if your estate plan is a will, your children, as what we call the distributees or next of kin, have to get notice of that will. And once they see the will and that they're disinherited, they may very well challenge the will. So one of the ways clearly to avoid this is simply do a trust. Don't go with a will. But also, if you are engaging in will drafting with your attorney, there's a difference of opinion in the legal minds as to, do you note specifically, I'm disinheriting my child, or are you silent about it? So there's a difference of approaches. I personally think it's a good idea to specify that I am disinheriting this child, but I don't think it's a good idea to specify why, because then you're opening up a can of worms, which makes it easier for them to litigate. So that's my take on disinheriting your children. And of course, keep in mind, yes, you can disinherit your children, but you cannot disinherit your spouse in New York because they have certain rights that children don't. And there's ways we can deal with that as well.